that make it from? Los Angeles somewhere, right? County or somewhere?
Such immaculate heart.
This was the start to our 2022-2023 New Year's Eve getaway, and obviously it wasn't looking too good for camping. Not to worry though, rainy highways in Los Angeles soon gave way to foggy backroads in Santa Barbara County as we made our way towards Solvang, California, and the High Roller Tiki Bar. Imagine our surprise when we rolled into town to see another Recon Envy camper, just like our own Love Shack Jr. Jr. We met Hugh and Karen and had a great time talking to them about our vans and all the adventures we had had with them. Nice folks. Enough of that though, time to find our tiki bar. We had fun poking around the shops in Solvang and finally found what we were looking for. We started off with a couple of Mele Kaliki Mai Tais. The place had a great tiki vibe, and the Mai Tais were so good, we just had to have another round.
Language. Enjoying your tiki?
After the High Roller Tiki Lounge and a few more shops, it was time for a late lunch of split pea soup at Anderson's. Splitting all those peas is a tough job. It wasn't long before we were back in the van and headed to Carpinteria State Park, with just an occasional swipe of the windshield wipers. Carpinteria, California. There it is, one of our favorite places. And Carpinteria State Beach is one of our favorite campgrounds.
454 48 49 50 2 3 54 Easy peasy. Oh, it's so easy.
Some things in Carpinteria had changed. But thankfully, others had not, like the Island Brewing Company. It's right on the tracks, and trains go by every now and then. Alright, sun is going down on the first day. Pretty good. It'll rain tomorrow though. Here we are. nice. See you tomorrow. We saw this guy fishing on the last day of 2022. A rainy day to be fishing. There goes Joanna into the last day of 2022. I was right behind her. The day was very rainy, especially by Southern California standards. Not wanting to cook in the rain, we had a great breakfast at Esau's Cafe and had a nice walk after. Our camp was all wet when we got back, but our spirits were high. It is not the best day for camping. It's a little cold out here. Got the awning up though. Got the ocean view. Got the gorgeous wife. Yeah, all right. It's all good. Last day of 2022. Happy New Year's, everybody. Wave 1. Here they come. Look at all this. Gee whiz. The Pelicans are doing well, I would say. Dun, da, 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 dun, dun, da, 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 dun. Crazy, look at that. Oh my gosh. So many pelicans. Da, 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 da. Couple going the other way. Of course, watching the pelicans wasn't the only thing we had to occupy our time. Bathroom at Carpinteria State Beach. Showers. Here we go. Sometimes it felt like we were the only ones who wanted to go camping on New Year's Eve. But what a difference a day makes. Happy 2023. Happy New Year 2023. And it is windy. But it's not raining. There's a log. Oceans. Not happy this morning. Wow. Everybody's hunkered down. Time for breakfast. Somehow we managed to get our camp stove lit and had a nice breakfast of oatmeal and coffee. And then it was time to go out and explore the day. A little windy. Here's day. Luckily for us, the spot was open on New Year's Day and had warm burgers and fries. These guys found their lunch too. We got back to camp and had a windy afternoon with which to occupy ourselves. What to do on a windy day? Well, open the back doors. Quite windy still today. New Year's 2023. Woohoo! Here's the view from the other side. Can you see JoJo hiding in there? It was so windy, even our hula girl was having her skirt blown around. And up there is the original Love Shack Jr. Our friends the Pelicans, though, were having a great time. This was our first windy dinner of 2023. Oh well, we have to leave tomorrow. Okay, this is it. The end of our 2022-2023 trip. More beautiful waves out there. Where the guys are surfing. You can see that. Here's to a good 2020-23. Happy New Year, everyone. Boom, maka.